action.
Hey everyone, this is Agent Brandee Davis and I'm here at our Home Buyers Workshop. We have just finished up, and for those of you who missed it, I have Michelle here to tell us what you thought about the program and what was one key takeaway that you had.
It was a wonderful program. I loved everything about it. I learned a lot of things that I didn't know, and some things people told me I found out today was incorrect.
What was one thing that people told you that you found out was incorrect?
That if you have like a low credit score, it's kind of hard for you to be able to purchase a home. And found out that that's not the case. Like, it's a process. So if you get here and get with the right people and get the right information, you can purchase a home.
Right, and what is this fabulous thing that you have in your hand?
Well, I actually won a gift for answering a question. And the question was, what is one thing that we do before we go to signing?
And what's one thing that we do before we go to signing?
We do a final walkthrough of the property.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Michelle, and we look forward to getting you into a new home.
Thank you. I appreciate it.